Hello, Claire from Shenzhen HR Tenda. Now we finished a big order for our foreign customer. You could see our workers are packing for shipping. Now, this is one set. The model is HR203. This is our 4x4 label. I will show how to test it. Now I will show how to deactivate this 4x4 label. Please follow me. This is our RF deactivator. This is the label. Now it has a voice alarm. I will use it to test again. You could see it could not alarm. Cannot use again. If you have interest for these models or for this deactivator, welcome to contact Claire. Have a nice day. Bye bye.